Differentiation is denoted by dy divided by dx. Here, y is a function or an algebraic equation like ax square plus b. So, if we do differentiation of y, then it will be dy divided by dx. In another form, we can write y prime. So, differentiation of y means dy divided by dx. We can also write y prime when we differentiation on this expression. Okay. Namely, we do differentiation on the variables like x. So, if we do differentiation on a variable, then what will happen? If y is equal to x squared, then differentiation of y will be, first of all, we will take the power here 2, then x to the power 2 minus 1. Always we will have to subtract 1 from the power of the variable. So then we will differentiate the base, like our base is here x. So d by dx of x. So it will be 2x here, 2 minus 1 means 1, and d by dx of x is equal to 1. When we differentiate x, it will be 1, like d by dx of 5x minus 3. So it will be d by dx of 5x. Here is the constant now. Yes, there is some risk of the constant. So it will be d by dx of 5x. We can differentiate 5. So 5 will be in here, and d by dx of x. Only differentiation will be on the variable. So 5 into 1. So it will be 5. Okay. Then we can write d by dx of 2. Again, if we differentiate a constant like d by dx of a constant will be always 0. So if we differentiate 2, it will be 0. If we differentiate 100, what is the number? Doesn't matter. If it is a constant, the differentiation of it will be 0. So this is the rules. If we differentiate x, only the variable, it will be 1. Now the power rules. Power, which one I have done first. Power rules. If y is equal to x to the power n, then dy by dx will be d by dx of x to the power n. First of all, we will bring the power, then we will write the base, here x is the base, and then we will subtract 1 minus 1 from the power, and then we will also differentiate the base. This is very important because always x will not be a single x. It can be an expression also. So be careful about the differentiation of the base. Don't stop just doing the differentiation of the power. Always we'll have to do the differentiation of the base also. So be careful. Okay, so now I can write n x to the power n minus 1, and here d by dx of x is equal to 1. Here we see. So it will be n x n minus 1. So this is the power rules of differentiation, and these are the general rule of differentiation. Now we will do some example, like d by dx of 5 minus 3x. So first of all, we will have to do the differentiation of 5, then separately we will have to do the differentiation 3x. Okay. I hope you all are understanding it. Differentiation is very easy, but we'll have to be careful. If you skip any step, it can be get the wrong result. So we will bring the numerical value here, then d by dx of x. We know that d by dx of x is equal to 1, and the differentiation of a constant is 0. So I have written here 0 minus d by dx of 3x. Now minus 3 into 1. D by dx of x is 1. There is no power on the x, so it will be minus 3. This is the answer. Again, we do another expression, like y is equal to 12x cubed. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 12x cubed. So first of all, we'll bring the numerical value here. Nothing to do with the numerical values if it is in multiplication form with the variable. Okay, when you do differentiation of the constant only, it will be 0. But if the numerical value or the constant is multiplied with the variable, then we can write 0. We just separate it from the variable, then only differentiate the variable. So here the power is 3 and base is x. So 12 into, first of all, bring the power here. Now write x to the power 3 minus 1, always minus 1. Then I'm doing step by step base. So it will be 3 12s are 36 x square, and the value of the differentiation of the x will be 1. So it's 36 x square. I hope you have understood it. Okay, now the third example. The third example is expression like y is equal to 9x cubed minus 12x plus 7. Okay. Now, if we differentiate it, we'll have to differentiate separately all of the terms. So dy dx of 9x cubed. Easy, but be careful. Dy dx of 12x plus dy dx of 7. So first of all, 9 will be separated. then the power will be separated, and x to the power 3 minus 1. And if I differentiate the base, here the base is x, so it will be 1. Again, the numerical value will be being first. And if I differentiate the x only, then it will be 1. If I differentiate the constant, it will be 0. So we can write here 9 3s are 27, x square minus 12. So this is the answer. I hope all of you have understood it. Now, another example is I have to show example here. So, okay, then, so our example is y is equal to 3x minus 5 whole to the power. No, it's actually 1. So 3x minus 1 whole to the power 5. Now, dy by dx is equal to, first of all, the power will come here, then dy by, sorry, so power comes first, then 3x minus 1. Now this is our base. We will subtract 1. Then again differentiate the base. So always the base will not be a single x. It can be an expression like here 3x minus 1. So we can write here 5, 3x minus 1 whole to the power 4 into separately differentiate. So it will be d by dx of 3x minus d by dx of 1. So we can write 5, 3x minus 1 whole to the power 4. Again, if we differentiate 3x, then it will be only 3. Numerical value will be unchanged, and differentiation of x is 1. So 3 minus the differentiation of constant is 0. So the answer will be 3 5s are 15, 3x minus 1 to the power 4. I've got it. We have done it. Now another question. Y is equal to 3x square minus 2 divided by x cubed. Here, d by dx, dy by dx is equal to 3 d by dx of the term 3x square, again d by dx of 2 by x cubed. Here is a reminder that if you get a fraction of differentiation like d by x of 2 by x cubed, then don't differentiate the numerator and denominator separately. First of all, you have to bring the denominator here and add in this part x cubed. So if you bring it in the numerator, the power will be minus. Okay, here so it will be minus 3. So d by dx of 2x minus 3. Then do the differentiation. The 2, then the power minus 3, then x to the power minus 3 minus 1. And if we differentiate the x, it will be 1. So our result is minus 6 x to the power minus 4. So we write it here, 3 x to the power 4 minus 1. Okay. Then if we differentiate the base, it will be 1 because it is only x. And get the minus sign. Now we differentiate it, minus 6x to the power minus 2. Don't do it separately actually. I just do it here to explain you. Do it here. Okay. Now the value will be 3x minus minus plus, so 6x to the power minus 4. We can write it 3x plus 6 divided by x to the power 4. Plus minus, since I make it a denominator, so the minus becomes plus. So because the math was given in this term, that's why I have written it like. I think all of you have read the maths. It's easy actually. Practice it. Okay. Another question is, another question is, for example, is y is equal to 2x plus 5 whole cube minus 9x squared. We are doing the basic differentiation actually today. So if you do it carefully and watch the video today, I think your basic of the differentiation will be clear. So don't skip it. Do the math with me. And if there is any question, it's me. Okay. dy by dx. I told you that we'll have to do it separately. So d by dx, 2x plus 5 whole cube minus d by dx of 9x squared. Okay. I hope all of you will be able to do it now. 3, then the base, our base is 2x plus 5 because the power is on whole the 2x plus 5, not only on the x. 2x plus 5. So this is our base now. 3 2x plus 5 go to the power 3 minus 1 minus, bring the numerical value here. Then do the differentiation of x squared. Power is only on the x, not on the 9. That's why I have separated the 9. Okay, now. Sorry, I have skipped something here. We have to differentiate the base also. So now differentiate base. It's plus 5. Then minus, now 9 divided by dx of x squared. So there will be 2x plus 5 whole to the power 3 minus 1 squared, and we differentiate 2x x, so it will be only 2. And if I differentiate the constant 5, then it will be 0. I hope you have got my solution here. I have done it. Now this minus, I have written here, now 9. Again, the power is 2. So x to the power 4 minus 1. And if I do the differentiation of base, it means 1. So it will be x, x is equal to 1. So now we can write 3 to the 6, 2 plus 0 means 2. So it will be 6, then 2x plus 5 whole square minus 9 to the 18 x. 2 minus 1 means 1, so x. So this is our solution. 6 to x plus 5 whole square minus 18x. So be careful here. We saw that I have skipped it. I wasn't doing this 0. It's like don't skip or don't forget to do it. First of all, the differentiation of the power 3 minus 1, then the differentiation of the base to x plus 5 to x plus 5. In the second term, so this is the math. Now, any question? Please tell me comment. I will explain it. Now, another question is, y is equal to 12 divided by twice x minus 3 whole square. I told you that don't do the differentiation in the denominator. First, bring it upper here. 2x minus 3 whole to the power minus 2. Plus 2, it will be minus 2. Now we do the differentiation. dy by dx is equal to 12 into the power will come here 2. Then y6 minus 3 minus 1 power. I will subtract it 1 from the power. Then do the differentiation of the base. y6 minus 3. So it will be 12 to the minus 24. Then 2x minus 3 whole to the power minus 3. And if we differentiate it 2x, the differentiation of x is 1, so it will be 2 minus 2. And if we differentiate by minus 3, it's constant, so it will be 0. Now, minus 24, and 6 minus 3, whole to the power minus 3, into 2. So it will be minus 48 by 6 minus 3 whole to the power minus 3. Now we'll write it in the given form. Minus 48 divided by y6 minus 3. I hope you have understood it. Just simply differentiate step by step. Here, what is answer? So math is done. And one things will be very soon, inshallah. Hopefully, all of that will join with me. Yes.